Do you want to build a budget gaming PC under $50,000? Let's get started. First up, the Ryzen 5 5600G processor. With 6 cores and 12 threads, it handles intense gaming and multitasking effortlessly. Next, the Gigabyte B550 AC motherboard. It's a perfect match for our CPU and comes with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. For memory, we've got 16 GB of Corsair DDR4 RAM. This ensures fast and smooth performance for all your games and applications. Our storage solution is a WD 250 GB NVMe SSD, providing lightning-fast boot time. Need more space? The Toshiba 1TB HDD has got you covered. Powering it all is the Deep-Cool 550W SMPS. And finally, the Ant Esports 311MT gaming cabinet. Stylish and functional, it keeps our components cool and our set